Hello students, today we are going to learn how to create functions in Python. Functions is a block of statements to perform a related task. As we have learned before, there are different types of functions. One is the built-in functions which are already in the Python library. Max, min are the functions which we have learned in list. Input function and print function are used to take input from the user and display the output to the user respectively. Now there are other type of functions called the user defined functions. As the name suggests, the functions which are defined by the user, that is created by the user, are known as the user defined functions. Now the syntax to create the user defined function is, first of all we write down the keyword def, give a space and then type the function name. Then inside the parenthesis we need to give the parameters, and after closing the parenthesis we need to give a colon sign. So this first statement is also known as the function prototype, which tells us the parameters, type of parameters and the number of parameters and the function name. Then we have, after this, statement 1, statement 2 till statement n, that is the operation we want the function to perform. So from here till here, this is full known as function definition. And when we need to call the function, we have to specify the name of the function which we have given here, and here we have to give the arguments, that is the variables or values which we want the function to take. So the parameters and arguments can be same or different. So this statement is known as function calling. When the function is being called, it will go to the function definition and perform the operation. Let us understand the working of a function. So here we have defined a function, and the name of the function is MULT, that is for multiplication. It starts with the keyword def, and after that in the parenthesis we have taken two parameters a and b. Now there is a colon sign, and after that we write down c equals to a into b, print c. Now we have taken two variables x and y, which will take number from the user. First number will be stored in x and the second number will be stored in the variable y. Now from def till this part, till print statement, this is the function definition. And when this statement is encountered, MULT parenthesis x comma y, this is the function calling. The execution of the program will start from here, that is from x, even if this is written here, and then it will, when the function will be called from here, it will go to this part, and then whatever is being executed or whatever is written, it will perform those operations. So let us see the output of this one. Now here it is asking for the first number from the user, so let us give it 34. Now it is asking for the second number 45, so the answer is 1530. So basically what the function is doing, it is a block of code that helps us to perform a particular task, and we need not write the same code again and again. If we want to multiply two numbers again, so there is no need to write the same code again and again. So it helps us in reusability of the code. So it is an advantage of the function. And the second thing is, it makes the program easier to understand. Suppose we want to multiply some two other numbers, so we will again run the program, and now it is again asking for the first number and second number. So here the output is 12. This is the way we have to write a program using the function. I hope you have understood this concept. So basically we have understood that function help us to reuse the code again and again, and it reduces the complexity of the program. Try and practice these programs